That's not really a screwdriver. Yeah. Now that's a screwdriver. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Looks like about 44 degrees Fahrenheit, the F. For my other buddies, it'd be, 2 in the C. Got a little bit of arm room here. That's right. Arm room. Who don't like a little bit of cake? Took those cabinets up to the farm. Yep. Nicely did. Went to the farm. I didn't buy the farm. I just went to it. And, yeah. So, that's where we're at on that. What have we been up to? I've been up to too much working on a Ford. I'm Sam Elliott. Friends don't let friends work on Fords. It ate a big hole in my butt. Right through my wallet. It ate a big hole right through my wallet. Into my butt. Big chunk of my butt. That's what I've been doing. Freezing too. I've been doing some freezing. Doing a little bit of freezing. Yep. Alright. You just hang tight. I'll get back right with you. Yeah. I like French fries, potatoes, mustard. What we have here is 96 Crown Victoria. Overhauled. We had lower ball joints. Overhauled the brakes. Getting ready to flush all the fluids and bleed it out. You can see where my brand new rotors have rust on them. Excuse me. In the back we have a parking brake drum inside of a disc. Parking brake shoes. Had no shoes on them. They were just metal feet. That was a little extra. Getting ready to redo those calipers there. Did a little bit of something here and there. But, well, what we come to is something a little bit scary. I don't want to scare nobody. These here are the lower ball joints of said vehicle. Anything wrong with this picture? We have catastrophic failure of the lower ball joint on the driver's side, which happened right there at the bottom of the driveway. Approximately 100 feet, 200 feet down the road, 300 feet, maybe 100 yards. Let's say 100 yards. No, let's say 100 meters. No, let's just say 100 yards down the road. A big pop sounded. And when Mama got down at the end of the road there, the wheel came off of it and separated. Prior to that, she was on the freeway going 70 miles an hour, so somebody was looking out for us. Thank you. Thank you there, big guy. Ponder that. Sam Elliott. And this bud's for you. Stay tuned. We'll be back with some more. We ain't messing around, you know what I mean?